I think there's just an inexplicable fire and like some sort of passion that I have. As many ups and downs as this industry might have, or as a career must have, or as a musician might have, I think there's something that I can't really explain, that I feel inside when I'm working, when I'm doing music, when I'm being creative, when you know, and when you're taking risks. But that whole excitement of like creating something and the inexplicable bonding when you're collaborating with other musicians, because there's something that's just a connection that we all have while we're working together, that I think that just keeps it going, because it's a lot of work. This thing here, it's to me what makes like the bass, you know, like the most important part of the gear, you know, after the gear itself, you know. I think the source is the most important. Getting that source to sound like the source, you need really good converters, and you need a quality interface in order to do that. And that's what I personally have found with RME. As I said earlier, I initially started, my first interface that I ever had was an RME Hammerfall, and it just worked great. And this thing here is just so simple and easy to use. And even though in the moments where I've had to like record myself and do my own drum mix monitoring while I'm recording through, I don't know, through a demo that was recorded before, all that in such a small package is just insane that you can do that. Hi, I'm Pipe Ceballos, and we're in the House of Blues in Las Vegas. And this is my setup with the band ZOE. As you can see, it's partially a hybrid kit with some Ludwig small toms, a 6 and an 8, 15 floor tom, Black Beauty snare that I have with fitted with maple wood hoops, and and then I have the Istanbul egg up cymbals, a traditional crash ride, 22 inches, and then I have a stack here, which it's 2 X's, a crash and a china, and a small 10-inch hat. And then I have a bunch of percussion from manual percussion. I got some wood blocks, tambourine, conga. And then on the other end, we have the electronics, which we have a kick drum, electronic kick drum right here, Roland SPDSX, a pocket piano, sounds like this. And then I have my controller, an Ovation controller, the impulser, which takes us to the interfaces, to all the sounds that come from the live setup. So here I can play, you know, at this point I have kind of like a Juno sound. And depending on the difference of songs, this gets controlled and changes to whatever the song is, to a different patch. And I have this impulse pads as well, and everything gets run through live, Ableton Live, and everything goes out through the RME interfaces.
La calidad del convertidor análogo-digital es para mí fundamental, por lo que creo que aquí en ZOE optamos que es RME logra ese cometido, ¿no? Bueno, yo disfruto mucho, la verdad, mezclar. Para mí es una gran satisfacción, y el reto de darle el gusto a cada uno de ellos, porque la posición de monitores conlleva darle gusto a cada una de las personas, y cada uno tiene gustos distintos. Entonces, poderles dar gusto, para mí, la verdad, es un gran reto, y considero que es una gran responsabilidad, pero la satisfacción es, de verdad, es muy gratificante. Esta computadora reproduce ciertos tracks que ya están grabados, otros que son sonidos de instrumentos virtuales que de alguna manera llegan aquí. Esta computadora, a su vez, se conecta a una de estas interfaces, que en este caso es esta roja que tenemos aquí abajo. Esta está conectada a la computadora y vía óptico se conecta de aquí a acá para ocupar sus salidas y sus convertidores digital análogo. Entonces, de esta forma tenemos 16 canales controlados vía esta computadora. Esta computadora tiene los mismos tracks que esta misma. Hay una red Ethernet con la que se controlan ambas y de esa misma forma controlan ciertos teclados que hay en el escenario. Y este sistema tiene su RME con una interfaz extra, y el otro exactamente igual. Tiene su RME con una interfaz extra para poder tener los 16 canales en cada una de las computadoras. Tenemos esta consola SD8. Esta SD8 controla 56 canales por medio de un rack que tengo acá atrás. Y este rack, ahí entran todos los 56 canales que traemos en vivo. De la salida auxiliar entro a esta Madiface, y esta Madiface la conecto a mi Pro Tools para poder grabar esos 56 canales.